What do you do if you don't have a tofu press? You found that perfect tofu recipe, you're ready to make it, and it calls for pressed tofu. And no tofu press. Oh no. This was me for years, and you know what? I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you came by today. So let's get to it. How to press tofu without a tofu press. I don't know why I resisted getting a tofu press for so long, but I did. And you know what? I didn't even get it for myself. My mom was visiting and saw how I pressed tofu, and she bought me a tofu press. Best gift I never knew I needed. So first you'll need your block of tofu, yummy, yummy, 2 glass plates. You could use paper, I guess, but I've only used glass. And then your favorite plant-based books, of course, have to be plant-based. Heavy, heavy books that you can put on your tofu to press it out. So we'll get to it. I'll show you how to press this tofu. We cut open the tofu. I always do it by the sink because it squirts out. So I just press in, glide the knife down on both sides, and then across the bottom. I really need new knives. Squeeze it out, holding the paper at the top to squeeze it out. And then we have our tofu. I forgot to say we needed towels. Towels are the most important because that's what keeps the tofu, that's what gets the moisture from the tofu. So I lay my towel out on top of the plate, and I put the tofu right on the towel. You could put paper towels in between the towel and the tofu, totally up to you. And then I just roll it, roll it, roll it down the middle, fold it over, and there's layer 1. Then I get my second towel, and same thing. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Have the little edges, fold them over, place it down, and then I press down a little just to get a good flat, kind of flat surface. And I put the second plate on top. Once that's all done, I get my books and place the books right on top. Sometimes we're not so lucky if they balance, but today it balanced really good. And there you have it, the makeshift tofu press. Usually the tofu press will lean, so I often, or I do, put my makeshift tofu press against the kitchen wall, and I just lean it all the way back, so when the books start to lean, they can lean into the wall, and that really helps out. I keep it pressing if I'm in a hurry for 20 minutes. You just want to leave it at least 20 minutes so you get that perfectly pressed tofu so that most of the water's out. This really helps out when you do recipes like my starchy husband's go-to tofu recipe. You want to get that moisture out so when you do add liquid, the tofu can suck the liquid up, which gives the tofu the taste of whatever you're marinating it in. So I hope this helped you out. At least 20 minutes, but you can leave it pressing all day long. Our makeshift tofu press. If you found this valuable or helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my small channel out. And you know what? I'd love it if you subscribed. I'd love to have you along for the journey. Losing weight, plant-based starch solution, getting it done. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.